I came to tell you that you don't need to disturb yourself because other vendors are showing reviews on their WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and you think they are getting sold out and you are not. A lot is happening, and today I came to open your eyes to some of the secrets that they are using to do all of these things. It's not for you to live a fake life, but it helps customers to trust you as well when you are having reviews. If you are a Christian, even Jesus Christ got a review from the woman he met at the well, and a lot of people believed him because of the saying of the woman. So review play a vital part in businesses. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can create fake reviews. Yes, fake reviews that look so real, that will allow your customers, new people especially, to trust you as a brand. If you are new to this channel, my name is Ine Tessie, and on this channel we give out tips and tricks on how you can easily navigate some apps and social media platforms for your business. All right, if this is what you would like, kindly give us a thumb up, give us your subscription, stay tuned to this channel, comment, and if there are other videos or some other things that you would like to see, that you are looking for, kindly reach out to us and we'll make videos on this aspect. All right, so without wasting much of your time, let's look right into that. All right, so let me go straight to showing you how you can generate reviews on your own and not other vendors tempting you anymore. First thing you want to do, you want to put your phone on do not disturb. Do not disturb. Okay, so we'll go to our browser. I'm using Chrome browser. Okay, so here I will just type fake details, fakedetails.com. okay, so fakedetails.com. I'm doing for WhatsApp. You can do for TikTok, Instagram, any app that you want. Okay, but for the purpose of this class, we are focusing on WhatsApp. So I will allow it to come up. All right, so this is it here. I'll click here. All right, this is the platform, fake WhatsApp chat generator. Okay, so your phone header, phone footer, dark theme, anyone, if you want to hide it, you can hide it. So here we have for Android. All right, so this is Android and this is for iPhone, whichever one that you are using. Okay, so from here now you can change the network of the individual, either 5G or 4G or 3G already. So you can do that here. Then the time that you want to show on the chat, because the phone will also show. So this is the time that will show in that place. Okay, so whatever time I want to leave it here. So battery options, how you want the person's battery to show. So everything is just real, like everything on the phone of the person. If you want the battery to be reduced more than this and all of that, to show percentage, it will show. So now we are going to come to this other side. So let me use this. So we are here now. All right, so just follow me closely. Add message, change background. Okay, so now that we want to send this message, when I click on this add message, please, you just have to know that this sites, they do a lot of ads. All right, so I'll go back to add message. So one thing you must know, the sender is you now, while the receiver is the person that is sending the review to you. So for example, you will understand what I'm saying very shortly. So assuming I say now, I really appreciate your patience and enthusiasm in this Benin language class, and my fear has always been that I may never be able to speak or understand the language again, but I thank God I met Mrs. Human. I will recommend Mrs. to anyone who is interested in learning the language with ease. Okay, so now while doing this, the time must tally with the time on your phone. I think what we picked there was 10:04 or so. Oh, sorry, 10:04. Okay, and it was AM, I think. All right, so name. So this one does not go send. So you can see now that it's coming from this side, which is of the person. All right, so I can still come here and edit this date. Use this arrow for this date here. So once I click edit, I can put I say March 10, 2025. 10, 2025. Okay. So this one I can put sure, as if maybe the person asks a question. All right, so then this hello, I can now put thank you, ma. Thank you, ma'am. I hope you are following me closely. So it will look as if the conversation has been coming. So I'll still have to change this time So maybe, although this one does not really matter, but let me change this one to PM. All right, so it will look as if is a previous conversation. Let me set it back because it may look like it's the same day. Okay, this one may have passed. So I'll send it. So I think I still have to edit this one. Okay, this was around 8, this was around 10. So you are seeing the trend. Okay, I don't know why this date is not working. Delete this date. Okay, I've deleted the date since it's not ready to comply. So I will now come to this top here now. So I want to edit this part. I'll come to the name. Oh, the name is already there, safe. I can delete. So I can type the name back. I've actually used it before. So okay, it's online. So I'll leave it at that. Then the profile picture of the individual. So I'll come here and pick. It can be maybe, let me use a screenshot, maybe quote, can just be anything, depending. Maybe I should use animals. Let me use this butterfly. Then, so you can see it there. So assuming there's something also that we can edit here. Okay, from the receiver, I'm supposed to put whether the message should show as delivered or not. All right, so let me copy this now. Let me copy it. Holy Spirit. So add message. So now I'll put it up for that of the receiver. Paste. All right, 10:04 a.m. Okay, here should it show today, yesterday, or okay, let's put today. There's something that is missing. I will correct that in the next one. So I'll go back to add message. So this is it. I was supposed to put it, this segment, how the message will show, sent, sending, delivered, or read. Okay, so I'm supposed to do that. So I will now put this. Thank you, dear. Thank you, dear, for the kind review. I am glad your fears and doubts are gone. I look forward to you becoming better at it. All right, so I will tick this place now, and I want to assume that my own message may still be the same time, but you know, this whole thing just have to be it's a 9, so that it will not work against the time that his own phone is showing. So I'll set it here now and then send. Okay, so I think it makes more sense now. Makes more sense. I do believe that there are some persons that are using 5G network. So I haven't done this now. I'll click on preview. This is how it's going to look. All right, so let me go back and add my background. I'll click on browse. So I can still use screenshots. I can use anything actually. Let me see how this one will look like. So if I choose to have this background, so this is how it will look like, which is very on point. Okay, so let me know if you'll be trying this out, and don't forget to stay glued to this channel. Follow us for more. I love you guys. Bye.